Does meal prepping completely stress you out? Are you a mom like me who wants to create healthy, delicious meals for your family, but you don't have the time to do it? Well, this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and today I'm gonna show you some really simple ways to meal prep, some tips and tricks, and some really delicious food. If you haven't already, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and let's get started.
And close the curtains, 'cause all we need is candlelight, you and me, and a bottle of wine. Gonna hold you tonight, oh yeah. Well, we know I'm going away, and how I wish you weren't so take this wine and drink with me. Let's delay our misery. Save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Save tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. Tonight. Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone.
That I really love to prep. It is a sliced onion. This is a Vidalia onion. You could use any, I would stick with a white onion, and it's just thinly sliced with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and balsamic vinegar. And you're gonna keep it really, really low. Okay, see, like I'm on really low temperature, and you're just gonna let them caramelize. They are amazing. And this is what they turn into. Like, they're just sweet and salt. They're so good. You have to try them.
Fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone. And it burns like me for you. Tomorrow comes one desire to take me away. It's true. It ain't easy to say goodbye, and darling, please don't start to cry. 'Cause girl, you know I've got to go. Lord, I wish you were so.
Broccoli is something that I have in my fridge at all times. So what I really love doing is roasting it really quickly at a high temperature. I like it to be a little crispy, but also crunchy on the inside. So all I do is cut it all up. I'll squeeze lemon juice over it. So about a half to a whole lemon. There's my little assistant, either a half or a whole lemon, depending on how much broccoli I have. And then I do salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now you can amp this up and add chili flakes, but again, I have a 2-year-old. He likes broccoli, so I'm gonna go with it. So I don't add the chili flakes. Just roast it at 350 for like 8 to 10 minutes. It's so good.
And close the curtain.
Another thing I do is I take this just riced cauliflower, frozen riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's. I nuke it in the microwave. I'm gonna go do that for about 3 minutes just to kind of cook it a little bit, and then I'll throw it in a pan with some olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lime juice, and make this like, if it had cilantro, it would be so good, but make this like a Mexican lime rice with some black beans. And it's fast and easy, and you can throw it in anything. I'm gonna roll your limes, and it'll really get all the juices flowing. I'm just gonna squeeze all of this over the rice. to let it cook out a little bit, so the water cook out a little bit before I add my lime juice. But I'm just gonna add some pink Himalayan sea salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder.
Save tonight.
Now, I don't know about you, but I will buy beans, like canned black beans. I don't use them all in one meal, so you can freeze beans. They freeze really, really well. So I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of frozen black beans, and they will just defrost while they're cooking. I'm gonna squeeze the juice of 1 lime. I found it helps if you prick it with your fork. You'll get a lot more juice out. Now, you could add chili flakes to this or some hot sauce, but because my son likes cauliflower rice, I like to keep it kind of mellow, so I just do salt, a little bit of pepper, and the garlic powder. But you could certainly add some cumin or some taco seasoning. Chili powder would be really, really good. Then you just stir it all up, and that's what we want. We want that brown stuff. Let me turn it down a little bit though. So I turned the cauliflower rice into a taco bowl, and I've got some kale, some bell pepper, a chicken patty, one of those chicken patties that I prepped, about 2/3 of a cup of the rice and rice and black bean combo, half of an avocado smashed with some lime juice, a little bit of hot sauce. I would have salsa, but my husband ate it all today and didn't tell me. Hey you guys, so those are some of my staples. It's how I meal prep. Make sure I have that lemon broccoli on hand at all times. I always have my chicken patties on hand because they're so versatile. I use them in the taco bowl with the cauliflower rice like you saw. I will saute up some Brussels sprouts in the afternoon and some kale, and I'll have the patty like a salad with some of the Trader Joe's green goddess dressing that I absolutely love. So they're super versatile. Everything I showed you doesn't take a whole lot of time. I always make sure I've got my hard-boiled eggs. I always make sure I have some sort of crustless quiche. I know that quiche looks a little bit odd, but I'm telling you, try it. The macros on it are amazing, and it's so tasty and so fast. Even my picky toddler loves it. He calls it egg cake. So if you give any of these recipes a try, please let me know. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.